So here I am in my shop. I'm now beginning to pull things out for the season. The spring season has begun, so everything has to be straightened up. It was packed away all winter. I am going to turn this to profile for a moment. I have a mini PC. I have the SunFounder touchscreen here. And what I did with this is I set it up where I use it as a control interface for my garage workshop. Again, motorcycles I'm working on, bikes I'm building. This is what I like to do. And I like to have all my lights. There's lights and hoists up in the ear, as you see, automated. So what I do with this is I go in and I'm able to turn on the music I want. I'm able to turn on the lights I want. And everything is controlled by here. When I'm done for the day, I can come here and shut everything off by the touch screen. It looks like it's updating. So when I get back into the screen I've logged in, I'll continue this video to just give you an example of what you can do with this in a DIY project. So now you see it has booted up. I'm back into landscape mode. And you can see, I'll just show you how responsive it is. See that? And there's my touchpad. I'm going to go ahead and enter because if I touch it, you'll see the numeric pad to come up. And I'm going to go ahead and enter my code, and we'll be ready to show the rest of a little bit of what I do with this. So now I'm back, and a few things I want to do. I'm going to start with lights. I have Govee app here. I created a desktop shortcut. I'm doing this at a weird angle, so if I have to touch it more than once, don't be alarmed. It's just the angle. I'm holding my phone in one hand. There's just too much around me to put the phone on a steady mount, so it may take a second to load. And then it's a mini PC. It's not that fast. I use one of my older. There it is. I'm about to touch it again. So it took a little while. It's up. And those are my devices. I'm going to give them a second to load. All the devices. I have a lot of Govee around the house. And if you look in that corner, you'll see it says Garage Light, which is that light. And as you can see, it's off. And I will go ahead, since I can't give you the wide view, and I will touch in the Govee app. And it's on. So I'm sure you saw the screen brighten up. I'm going to try to switch hands here. I'm going to minimize this. And now I'm going to put on some music. So one of the first things I need to do, I need to bring that back up, the Govee back up, because I have my garage amp, a little Bluetooth amp, powered by a Govee switch. So here it says garage, can you see it? Garage amp. You might hear the amp click on when I hit this. If you heard that little click, then you had some good ears. I'm sorry, my finger's in front of the thing for a moment there. Going to minimize. And I'm going to check my Bluetooth here in my settings to make sure that I'm connected to the Bluetooth. I'm sorry if my finger's going in front of there. So I brought up the Bluetooth devices. Where is it? It should be seeing my, that's weird. It should be seeing, oh yes, here it is. Oh, is it? Let me check. 1 second. I'm going to pause the video for a second. So now you see I'm back. I've brought up these. I had to restart the PC because the Bluetooth module in the mini PC somehow didn't work. I restarted it. It's connected to my amp. That is a radio station I listen to. It in South America. I have some family members from there, and I enjoy the music that they plays. I've grown up in a culture. I'm from the Caribbean initially. So just to tell you, the SunFounder touchscreen is fantastic. I did not use mine with a Raspberry Pi. I used mine with a Windows Mini PC. There are all those options out there for all your DIY projects. And to close this video, I'm gonna start the radio station playing. It's going to be a short play because I don't want any copyright issues on YouTube. So here we go. And that's it. The SunFounder touchscreen is a winner.